Well, it appears that the electric mechanical disc brake issue has escalated somewhat. We just received an email from Lectric today, this morning, and they're carrying out what they're calling a voluntary product recall alert. So they say that in cooperation with the United States Consumer Product Safety Commission, they're voluntarily recalling the disc brakes for the Lectric XP 3.0 electric bike. Many of you have experienced the very poor braking performance and outright failure when the piston loses contact with the disc when you're applying the brakes, and you lose all braking force all of a sudden. I have several videos on the topic. I'll link them here. But yeah, so when that happens, if you're going downhill or you're going fast and you need to stop fast, and the piston all of a sudden loses pressure against the disc, you might crash into a vehicle, or go off the road, or what have you, if you can't stop in time. And I have heard of several riders actually hitting cars or having accidents. Nothing fatal or too severe that I've heard of yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if there's some serious accidents that have occurred because of this failure. So the bikes that are affected were produced from November 1st through May 6th. Lectric is advising to stop using your XP 3.0 immediately if it was produced within this time frame and it still has the mechanical disc brakes on it. And it affects all the XP 3.0 line, long range, Step-Thru, and the standard frame. And Lectric provides a web page and the phone number to call to file a claim. And they're going one step further than their previous kit that they were sending out if you ordered it with the hydraulic kits, hydraulic brakes to replace these faulty mechanical brakes. They're going one step further and now offering $100 to cover the cost of the installation for the, they're saying consumers will receive $100 towards the cost to install front and rear mechanical brake calipers. Well, that's a little bit different. I'm thinking that's a mistake, because the upgrade kits, or the updated kit, is a hydraulic kit. So are they now saying that they're going to send out a mechanical kit plus the $100? So that might be a mistake on their part, because they mentioned the mechanical brakes as being the cause of the problem, and we've been receiving free of charge an upgrade, quote unquote upgrade, to hydraulic brakes, which I already installed on my bike and I'm really happy with. But here, yeah, they're saying a new front and rear brake caliper kit, but they're calling it a mechanical brake caliper. So that would be disappointing if they just came up with a lower cost mechanical brake that doesn't fail, but it's not as good as the hydraulic brakes they were offering until recently. So hopefully this is a mistake and they issue some kind of correction, and we are getting the hydraulic brakes in addition to the $100 to install. Anyhow, this is an interesting development, and I wouldn't be surprised if this scales further into an outright mandatory recall from the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. Especially if somebody has a serious injury or fatality due to a brake failure, then this could escalate quickly into a mandatory recall. But we'll see. Stay safe out there, and take care of these brakes one way or another. Stop using the bike, install the hydraulic brakes that you may already have on order, or get on the list to get this other brake that they're talking about here. If it's mechanical, well, at least it won't fail, and you will get $100 to help you cover the cost of the installation at a bike shop. Stay safe out there.